friends, welcome to my channel. Today it's my small garden tour. I will be showing you my small beautiful garden, and my garden is small but we have lot of tulsi plants over here, so it's a oxygenated garden, and we have grown so many plants including medicinal plants, vegetables and some decorative flowers also. So we'll go down and I will show my beautiful garden now. First I will be showing you my all medicinal plants. The first one is, this one is tulsi. We have here tulsi plant, the which we called as a holy basil. In my garden we have two types of tulsi plants. One is Krishna tulsi and one is Rama tulsi. So it has lot of Ayurvedic healing properties. Even this tulsi we use in our home remedies. So friends, we use tulsi in kidney stone, headache, digestion and to cure diabetes. So there are so many benefits of tulsi. Hope you people are using at your home. And my second plant is aloe vera. You all are familiar with aloe vera. So aloe vera helps us in heartburn relief. It lowers our blood sugar level, and it's also a natural laxative. It also has a potential to fight breast cancer. So I have again so many plants which are medicinal and which we use in our home remedies for curing our disease and all. So again, the third one I will be showing you is fig. My third plant, this one is fig. We also called it as anjeer. This is a fruit, and we daily get very fresh fig from our this plant in our garden. So it's also rich in antioxidant, and this one is the richest plant source of vitamin A, C, K, B and potassium, iron. Even I love the fig very much. Here nearby this aloe vera, we have planted here this lemon tree. See friends, so many lemons are here. In this summer we not brought any one lemon from the market. And as you know, lemon is a good source of vitamin C. Even it supports in the weight loss, and it's also good for skin. Lot of lemons are here grown on this plant. See here. Now next we'll move to our pudina. Even we called it as a mint leaves. Now I will be showing you a pudina plant. Here it's come our pudina plant. We are using it daily in our cooking, this pudina plant, pudina leaves. Pudina, even it's helpful to improve our irritable bowel syndrome, and even daily we use it our cooking. So this one is the ajwain leaves. We can make pakodas from it, as all pakoda lovers, even you know that from ajwain leaves we can make pakoda, and it's used to cure our cold and cough. It's a home remedy, so you can use these ajwain plants, ajwain tree leaves. And we are now moving to another plant, that is, after ajwain leaves, here yesterday only we have planted this one that we called as a gurvel. Even it's called as a amrutvel. This is very good for diabetes people, to treat diabetes, and even it fights with the respiratory problem. Whatever respiratory problem you have to eat this leaf daily, one leaf. Then it is good to cure diabetes, and even it improves the digestion and reduces asthmatic symptoms. If some people are having asthma problem, then you can have this one leaf daily. Just yesterday only we have planted this one, so it's a very small plant in our garden. So after that I will be showing you our daily use curry leaf. This one big tree which we are showing you is the curry leaves tree. It's a big one tree in my garden. Curry leaves, they help us to relieve morning sickness and nausea, and even we also know that it helps in the weight loss. Now we are coming with our first brinjal plants. See here, we have grown here brinjal plants. Go vocal for local. Again one here brinjal is there. 2 to 3 brinjals have grown here. See here, it's very, yeah. And the second one you can see over here, the small plants have grown up. These are the red spinach plants. Still they have not grown up. They are very small still now. Only one week before the seeds have cultivated. We have cultivated their seeds. You can see over here. And after the red spinach, nearby that, this one is the green spinach, palak, which we called it as a palak. This is the green spinach. You can see over here. And along with that, in the side of the green spinach, these are the small methi leaves, fenugreek leaves. Even they are still not grown. They are very small. See here. After fenugreek leaves, these are the coriander leaves. You can see already these coriander leaves we have used in our cooking, so you can see the less amount over here. Again the new one are coming here, and nearby that coriander leaves you can see this one we called as a arbi or taro, that we called as a adu leaves, adu, arbi, and the taro one, which we make wadis from this one. These are the adu leaves. Now we are coming with our decorative flowers. First we'll start with the king of flowers, that is rose. You can see this beautiful rose. This one is pink color, and nearby that we are having this one saffron color. You can see this one saffron color rose, and this one is a white color rose. After that, this one is of red color. On this there are no flowers, but this is of red color flower. And after that, here we come with a yellow color rose. You can see over here, yellow color rose. After the king of flowers, we are coming with this beautiful plant, water lily. You can see this. Water lily is also called as a lotus. These are small lotus. This one is one more the decorative flower. We have 3 colors in our garden. This one is pink. Another I have there white color and yellow color. I will be showing you now white color, and the yellow one is yellow one has not grown up still. Like the pink color, we have here white color flowers. You can see very beautiful they are. and like this same with this we have yellow color, and this one is the yellow color. They have not grown up today, so you can see here like this one is the yellow color. You can see this huge mogra plant over here, and with that lots of birds are grown up. By morning these birds will be transformed to a beautiful mogra flowers like this one you can see over here. After mogra you can see this beautiful plant, which even this is used for decorating purpose. The color is very beautiful. In my garden we have three colors like this one is the dark red. You can see this dark red color, and even we have here white and pink color. You can see this white color like same red color. You can see this white color. These are very beautiful decorative plants. And after this you can see this like red and white color, pink color leaves of flowers for decorative purpose. Friends, hope you people like my this small beautiful garden. And friends, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Bye.